let me show you something that could completely change how you edit images and videos. Right now, many creators struggle with blurry photos, low-quality images, or old pictures that look damaged or faded. As a result, fixing them usually takes a lot of time, skill, and complicated tools. But what if you could fix all of that in just a few seconds, without even writing a single prompt? Well, that's where Wondershare UniConverter comes in. Now, this is not just a normal editor. Instead, it's a smart AI-powered tool that makes both image and video enhancement very simple. But here's the most interesting part. It now includes a generative AI model inspired by Nano Banana. So, what does that actually mean for you? In simple terms, it means you can take a blurry image, a low-quality photo, an old picture, or even an image with a watermark, upload it. And within seconds, the AI will turn it into something sharp, clean, and almost studio quality. Now, let's see how to use it step by step. First, click the link in the description and open the official website. From there, you can download the software for free. Next, open Wondershare UniConverter. Once the app starts, you will see many AI-powered features for video, image, and audio. After that, go to the AI Tools section, where you will find even more useful options. Now, start by selecting the Image Enhancer tool. Here's the good part. No matter if your image is blurry, low quality, or very old, this AI can fix it. So, go ahead and upload your image. You can add a single photo or even import a full folder. Even better, it supports up to 20 images at the same time, which is perfect for batch work. For example, I uploaded a low-quality image, and the tool automatically selected the auto enhancer by default. Before exporting, you can preview the result. And honestly, the quality already looks really good. Using the split view or slider, you can compare the before and after side by side and clearly see the improvement of photo. Now, let's take it one step further. If you want even higher quality, click on Image Upscaler and choose 4K or 8K, then preview the result. Right away, you can see the difference. Especially in areas like the eyes and skin, the details become much clearer, which is amazing. Next, let's fix old photos. If you have images with scratches, stains, or faded colors, you can repair them easily. Just upload the image. Also, one thing, if you are not sure what each tool does, simply hover over it. It will show a preview and explain everything. Alright, once uploaded, go to Old Photo Restoration and choose Basic Repair. Then preview the result. As you can see, the image is already improved. This feature fills missing parts, removes scratches, and restores details in just a few seconds. Now, here's something really powerful. You can actually select multiple features at the same time before exporting. For example, I selected both Advanced Repair and Old Photo Colorizer. When I preview the result, you can see that the AI not only fixes the scratches, but also adds natural colors. In fact, it almost looks like the photo was taken with a modern camera. If you want even better results, you can switch to the Advanced model. Simply upload your old image, select the Old Photo Clarity Boost option in Advanced mode, and preview it. Wow, you will clearly notice the difference. This mode goes even further. It rebuilds damaged textures, removes scratches, and improves overall image quality at the same time. Another useful feature is blur correction. Just upload your image, select this option, and preview the result. As you can see, the blurry image becomes much sharper and clearer. So overall, the Image Enhancer tool can do a lot of things. Now let's move on to watermark removal. Open the Image Watermark Remover tool. Here, you can remove watermarks from both videos and images. For example, upload a video, select the watermark area, and within seconds, it will be removed. The same process works for images. Just upload your image, adjust the brush size, paint over the watermark, click remove, and preview the result. As you can see, it works really well. There's also another smart method. Now on UniConverter, Nano Banana AI is directly built into the watermark remove. In that case, you don't even need to brush anything manually. Instead, simply select Nano Banana mode, choose whether you want to remove people, text, or watermarks, and it will be removed automatically. Now, let's talk about another powerful feature, the video conversion tool. This is actually one of the most underrated tools in UniConverter. For example, you can convert almost any file or even extract audio from videos. It supports over 1,000 formats, and you can do it in just a few clicks. First, go to the Convert tab, click Add Files, and select your file. Then choose the output format you need. For example, I will choose PDF. You can also upload multiple images or even a full folder. After that, select the format for each file and click Convert. Thanks to GPU acceleration, the process is very fast. Within seconds, all your files will be converted to your selected format. This is especially useful for batch processing, and it saves a lot of time and effort. Another helpful feature is the Batch Image Editor. Here, you can do many things in one place. For example, you can crop images, resize them for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, or Shopify, and much more. You also get access to tools like image enhancement, background removal, and other editing features, all in one place. As you can see, UniConverter offers many more tools. Just click on More Tools to explore everything it has. If you want to try it, you can find the link in the description below. If you need any help, feel free to join our Discord or Telegram group. It's the perfect place to ask questions, share your creations, and connect with other creators who can help you make even better videos. Plus, you'll find all the AI tools and the exact prompts we used in this tutorial, so you can try them out yourself. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.